Welcome to iLessonReady at www.iLessonReady.com. In this tutorial, we will add a learning task to our lesson. If you have just created a learning target, then the daily learning tasks screen will appear as shown. If you previously entered a learning target and now want to add a learning task, click on the pencil icon next to the learning target to begin editing. Click on Add Learning Task. The new learning task pop-up screen will appear. Learning tasks are actions students complete to produce learning data used to assess student progress. These tasks should be created to engage students to practice the skill at hand for the purpose of assisting students to achieve the learning target. Students must see how these tasks align to the targets. Type or paste learning task into the description field. Now, under Duration, select the number of days this task spans from the drop-down menu. You are asked to determine the number of days of instruction that will be needed to provide students sufficient time to complete the learning task you developed to help students hit the aligned learning target. The number may not denote a full day in the classroom, but only a portion of the school day. Segments of multiple days may be needed to provide students with every opportunity to successfully complete the task. While developing a 30-day lesson plan, please note that the terms 30-day and weekly do not mean plans have to be exactly 30 days or weeks have to be 5 days. The days align to natural breaking points in each segment of instruction that guide students to achieve a 30-day learning goal. In the next field, we will enter feedback strategies. Feedback strategies coexist alongside learning tasks and function as part of the instructional process. Feedback strategies allow teachers to create formal processes to support students gaining and giving input about what is learned and where learning gaps exist. Information gathered from these strategies determines if teachers need to modify their instruction prior to the next day's lesson. Enter the feedback strategies that you will use as students engage in this learning task. Click Save. You have now successfully added a learning task. While developing lesson plans, the At a Glance option is visible at the top of the page. Choosing At a Glance provides a view of learning tasks across days. At this point, if we click on At a Glance, you will notice that learning tasks are now displayed. More days will be populated as more tasks are added to the lesson plan. Thank you for using iLessonReady. www.iLessonReady.com. Brought to you by Studer Education.